Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Porsche Cayenne radio. First, gather your essential tools, including plastic trim removal tools and a Torx screwdriver set. For your safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work. Also, place a soft cloth over your console to protect surfaces from accidental scratches during the process. Next, we'll focus on removing the surrounding trim. Using your plastic trim tools, carefully pry off the side trim pieces that frame the radio. These are usually held by clips. Then, remove the center console trim panel, which often just pulls away. Finally, look for and remove any visible screws that secure the main radio bezel. Now, it's time to detach the radio unit itself. You'll typically find 4 Torx screws securing the radio in place. Carefully unscrew these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the radio unit forward, being very mindful of the wires still connected to the back. Reach behind and carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and antenna cables. Before installing a new radio or putting the old one back, take a moment to inspect the radio cavity and all connections for any debris. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps we've covered, making sure all trim clips engage properly. Once everything is back in place, reconnect your car's battery and thoroughly test the radio's functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.